In today's video, we've taken out our Suzuki RG50 Gamma and we are going to attempt to get this bike to 110 k's an hour on a flat road. Can it be done? Let's go and see. Admittedly, you'll see from the photos that I have to tuck a little bit to get it to that speed, but the 6-speed gearbox certainly helps these little 50cc bikes get up to 110 k's an hour. For such a little engine, that's amazing. So while we're out and about, I might as well take you for a little tour of my town and show you some of the cool twists and turns we love to ride. This is a standard Suzuki RG50 Gamma 50cc motorcycle. It was restored about 8 years ago by My50 Motorcycles, my50.com. As you can see, it goes to 120 k's on the clock. We just took it to 110 k's an hour on a flat road. This bike is a standard Suzuki RG50 50cc engine. The only thing not standard on this bike is the expansion pipe. This is a race expansion pipe by Basson, which is also available at my50.com. So if you want your Gamma to go faster, get in touch.